Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see two concepts. One is switch page item and one more is star rating page item. So how to do these things in Oracle Apex? Let us begin. So in this video, I just created a page switch. Now I am going to create one page item. So on this page item, I am going to name it as switch. So I'm going to select type as switch. Here you can see different types of values. Here I'm going to select the name as switch. So once it is selected, I'm going to show you the output. Here you can see the switch on page item is rendered. On clicking on this, it is like enable, disable. So you will come across different scenarios like you want to enable this enable or disable this record, or you need to enable this bill or enable this thing. So you will come across these kind of scenarios like enable, disable kind of things, or yes or no. So those kind of things you can achieve using this switch page item. So it will return on checked. It is like similar to the checkbox, single value checkbox. Like on checked state it will return one value, on unchecked it will return another value. It is like a somewhat enhanced in UI. So you can use kind of things like yes or no kind of things, or enable, disable kind of things. You can use this switch page item. So here you will be having a default value. So under this source, once it is selected switch, here you can see under settings you have default user default. If you uncheck, you will get some values. So on checked what value it should return, on unchecked what value should return. So you can specify like on checked it should return yes. This label is for making that thing remember. So on checked it should return yes, on unchecked it should return no. So now we are going to see this value by printing this. For that I'm going to create one dynamic action. On clicking on this, I'm going to execute JavaScript code. Under that I'm going to print it in console.log apex item that p32 switch page item value dot get value. So once it is selected, you just run this. So now the page item is rendered. To open that console, you just click Ctrl Shift I, or you just go here, click on here, go to more tools and click on developer tools, either Ctrl Shift I or developer tools. So this will open this console tab. So on clicking on this, I should get some value. On unchecking, I should get some value. So on clicking on this, I should get some value. On unclicking, I should get some another value. So this is the main use of this, like checked or unchecked. So these things you can use in the entry forms like enable, disable, or like you are available or not, do you want this or not. So kind of things you can use yes or no kind of things. You can use this page item switch. Now we can going to see one more concept along with this, since this is a smaller concept. So star rating. So mostly you will be came across like feedback forms. You need to rate that application or rate that thing. So for that they will be using some stars rating, like these many stars are the things. So like kind of things, here default there is a one page item which will represent that star rating. So that is we are going to see now how to create. So click I'm going to create one more page item. So I'm just creating one more page item. Here I'm going to name it as star rating, just star. Here you can select the type as star rating. You will see here star rating. So you just select the star rating. Here you can see, scroll below, here you can see number of stars. So by default there will be 1 to 10 stars are available. So from this you can select any count. So as of now I'm going to select 5 stars. So I'm going to run this. So now you can see the star rating 5 stars as rendered. On clicking on this, it will be highlighted like 3 stars. So on clicking your mouse over that, you will get the number of values, that is what is the value currently the user has selected. For example, I am selected 4 stars, so you're getting 4. If I select all the 5 stars, then you will get 5. So this is the value you will be getting. This is you can use for like getting some feedbacks or ratings. So here you can see some this is user default values, default settings is set. If you want to customize that stars like colors, you need to customize, you can uncheck this. You will have a list of values, list of options to customize your stars. For example, here you can see icon in the icon you are getting FA star. Instead of star, you need some other icons like home or some trucks. So for users, so whatever you want, you can select here. So for example, I'm clicking on this, you will get this value pop up. From here you can search for that. I'm selecting for user. So from here you can select any users. So I'm just selecting this user, I'm running this. Now you can see some 5 user logo has come. On clicking on this, it will be highlighted. Here you can give whatever logos you want, and here active color and inactive color. So active color is when the stars is highlighted or selected, this color will be applied. If the stars are unselected, then this color will be applied. So you can use this any of these colors to show. Here show clear button is you will get that clear reset icon. So if you are selected and you need to clear that values, then you can use that X mark. So here I'm just selected 3. Now I need to clear this, then no need to click again, you can click on this X button, so it will reset the value. So that is the clear button, and the show value is like it will show the value near to that. Next of the star icon, it will show that currently selected value. For example, here 0. So if I selected 3, then 3 value will be selected. So this is the use of star rating. So how to get this value? The same thing, I'm going to create a dynamic action. So here just click on this. Here you just select execute server side JavaScript, and below that you just select apex item dot get value. Within that p32 and star rating. I just named as star rating that page item value. So you just make a console log. So now I'm going to run this. So first to open the browser, again the console you just open. On clicking on this you will get 2. On clicking on this you will get 4. On resetting you will get 0. So this is the value we will be getting from this. So these are the two concepts you have seen in this video. One is switch and a star rating. Switch is used for yes or no or enable disable kind of things. It's like a checkbox, it's kind of a checkbox. So it is somewhat enhanced UI. Then star rating is mostly used for like getting the some feedbacks and kind of things. So getting the values or score, you can use this value to get a score or rating or rate yourself, like kind of things you can use this star rating. So here you can give your default customizations like logos, colors in the star rating to get the values. Thank you.